My dear friend, as we are describing the Islamic Gunism and the sugar-coated Islam, which is a totally lies, and the people are saying such type of the videos. Even the Aisha bint Abu Bakr rebuked the Muhammad so many times. It is described in Hadith. So now we will discuss about the inhuman nature of the Islam against Kafirs. When a child, in childhood, a child read that this word is distributed in two parts, that is the Muslims and the Kafirs or the non-Muslims, and Muslims are superior than to other non-Muslim or Kafirs, then they are only for Jannat or heaven goers. Whenever Kafir will go to hell or Jannum, and it will be roasted in the fire of the hell. It is amazing. Whenever Homo sapiens, modern man, developed slowly from reptiles to as mammal, and due to evolution theory, we developed as a modern man. If Kafirs are inferior, then how Muslims and the non-Muslims, Kafirs are different from each other? In this is Muhammad bin Abdullah science. If Muslims are superior to than anyone, then why the Muslims are so backward in Indian subcontinent? There are few Muslims. Those are well educated and with humanity, but they are not Muslim. According to Islam, they are not Muslim. They are murtid or wajibil qatl or able to kill by the hand of the Muslims, because they are making the brotherhood with the non-Muslims, and Islam does not allow the brotherhood with the non-Muslims. It is true fact that no Muslim, if he does not follow Quran, is not Muslim. If he follow Quran, then certainly he is against kafir. As per Islamic doctrine says all things except humanity against kafir is not haram, or the not haram means not valid. Except humanity, nothing is valid in Islam. Total brutality, killings, rapes, molestation of women after abducting them or the kidnapping them. Islam certified this as per the Quranic verses. As I describe all these verses on my two Hindi channels, that is the Vijay Kumar, a writer, or Vijay Kumar Pal. Islam doctrine says all things except humanity against kafir is not haram, and all good thing in haram except killing, rapes of kafirs. Haram means prohibited. All the good things in Islam is prohibited except the goonism, the killing, rapes of kafirs women, and the robbery or ransom. This is the human nature of the Islam, inhuman nature of the Islam. On 29th October 220, one priest along with an old woman were silted in a church in southern France, and one woman was killed in a cafe where she went to save her life, but in human violent face of Islam, in the shape of the devil, a man killed her in southern France city of the Nice. It is very objectionable that 70 years old woman had been beheaded or had her throat cut. These all Islamic fanatics always cry by his ass or donkey mouth, sometime pig's mouth, Allahu Akbar, God is great. But the pig, dogs and the donkeys or the ass is better than these true Muslims, because they are the certified killers, which is actually Muslims are doing the same which is exactly written in Quran according to Islam, and they are good Muslims because there is no concept of secularism in Islam. In India, many leaders of the Congress, Samajwadi Party, other parties, even the BJP leaders are the supporters of the secularism in India. Such type of leaders either laymen or befooling the Hindus in the name of secularism. If these cunning politicians or the parties and many other institutions of the Abdullah Bhai or Muslims organization which is creating nuisance must be banned for secularism, giving iftar parties by public money without their public consent. A senior leader of Samajwadi Party, Mr. Mulayam Singh, or a goon, always celebrated Sepai Mahotsav by public money, as this money was the hard earning of the taxpayers, where farmers are hand to mouth and Samajwadi Party leaders were wasted the money lavishly. These so-called leaders must read once at least Quran and then decide the secularism. They have marketed this word secularism and befooling the Kafirs or the Hindus, Christians and others. So verse of Quran which is very inhuman nature against kafirs first in Quran is written. This is the book about where there is no doubt, a guidance for those consciousness of Allah. Al-Baqarah chapter 2 verse 10. In their hearts is disbelief, so Allah has increased their distress, and for them is a painful punishment because they are habitually used to lie. Al-Baqarah 2:34 stated, and mentioned when we said to the angels, prostrate before Adam, so they prostrated except for Iblis. He refused and was arrogant and became disbeliever. Question is, when Allah could not do nothing against Iblis, then what will be can judge against the billion kafirs? Nothings. And this is narratives marketed by Muslims, so non-Muslims could not know the reality of the Quranic verses. Against kafir, normally religious book reflection of the kindness, humanity, and help the poor. But many Quranic verses are killing, murderers, rapes with women as sex slave, robbers as male ganimat. No publisher has to dare to publish it. If this will not be religious or in the name of the religion, Quran may be right for all Muslims, but it is a great threat of the kafir's existence in this world. 1400 years ago, all humans were the same, and after 600 AD, whole world became kafirs, and the rapists, robbers became good human or Muslim. Robbers became good human or Muslim according to Islam, not to according to me or according to the human value researcher or human value restorers. Such rapid change never been heard in the history of the evolution theory. Was this is a magic or attack of any mini rock falling on the earth? Immediately human turned into kafirs and their women changed into sex slave or the sex workers. As Malik Ganimat, what is this? This is suit to modern society, not at all. If these possible kafirs will be killed by the lunatic persons, actually those are disturbing the world into kafirs and the Muslim and distributing the world into kafir and the Muslims. So education of the real science is must for our Muslim brethren, not Abdullah science in which earth is moving and the class of the humanity are much required to moving Muslim brethren. They are all equal. This is the real religion. There are 24 verses of the Quran which were found objectionable by the court of Delhi or any Indian High Court appealed to the converted Muslims. All converted Muslims in Indian subcontinent should know that their forefathers were Hindus and from the same genealogy as Hindus forefather was Hindu. Any self-respect owing human cannot change his religion unless by greed or by force. But now this is not problem now. So behave with Hindus as their brethren. You cannot divide the whole world into two parts, Kafirs and the Muslims or believers in Islam. If Quran states Kafir are bad, then Vedas state all human are equal and whole world is a family and must be healthy, wealthy. This is the real humanity. Any force of the world cannot change the whole world as a Muslim world because this is only hypothesis and illogical concept. Ghazwa Hind as well impossible as the Zaid Ahmed of Pakistan will not die and his body will not be decomposed before resurrection, and it is will be very hard to alive any human being in this world. Right, this is your devotion to your cult, but you have no right to dictate the world according to the violent Quranic theory. There are all throughout of the such type of stupidity and the irrelevant and the discomfort to all as well to Kafirs and the Muslims. All terrorists, including Afghanistan, Pakistan, India, are the descendants of the Hindus. If they are abusing Hindus as kafir, so they must know that they are abusing their Hindus forefather, which were also kafirs in the doctrine of the Islam. It is lowest to lowest or insane person that looted or robbed wealth, killing the kafirs, women of kafirs after conquering the war used as sex slaves and distributed to own followers and soldiers. Is not a religious work, but all these words are under heinous offense. So these verses of the Quran is not applicable under the Indian Penal Code, now Bharatiya Dand Nyaya Sanhita. And we did not know why all my converted Muslims are not understanding all these facts. This is not the good character of any cult to slit the neck in the name of Islam with slogan Allahu Akbar, Allah is great. This is not the greatness to kill anyone in the name of Allah. It is very shameful, heinous crime, and it is the duty of government agency to stop this. In this doctrine against Kafirs, Hafiz says the son of the Hindus, forefather. But as we just convert into Islam, we have to follow the same theory against Kafir. This is a question of the debate. If we are Hindu, Sikh, Jain or Buddhist, means Sanatani Vedic, then I am believer in non-violence. But as when I embrace the Islam, or a Hindu embrace the Islam and read the Quran, so my way or their way of the thinking suddenly changed, as I am superior than any Hindus and I have direct contact to Allah and the Prophet Muhammad Sahib, who was the rapist and the killer and the robber, certified robber. Suppose my forefathers came in my dream, who was born before 525 AD, and I asked to them a question that how is the Islam religion? Are we kafirs? Whenever you were not kafirs at your life, what they will give answer in dream? Certainly they will say, who are the person which is saying that Hindus are kafir? Then I will say, after birth of Muhammad Sahib, we will change then into kafir who do not believe in Allah. Then my forefather asked me, there was no Allah and Quran in our time. Allah came very late, and before 610 all Jannat heaven had been full with non-Muslims. What problem you are facing now? It is very sad. I awakened from the dream in morning. My whole body was cold with sweating and heart was pumping very rapidly through the dream, and I knew that it is not a dream but it is a reality. Change all word in a big slaughterhouse and boiling center of skins as per Quranic verses. Tyranny against Zoroastrian in the Middle East to Afghanistan, persecution of the Zoroastrian and the land encouragement by Muslims. Zoroastrians are the most persecuted community by the Islamic torture. The Zoroastrianism is the much older than Islam. Normally, Zoroastrians' habitat was Iran, Iraq, and even some part of the Afghanistan. When Islam was spreading in Arab or Northwest Africa continent, this first aim was the Prophet Muhammad Sahib to conquer the territory of the land and convert Zoroastrian into Islam by fear of the sword. Only two options were opened: either embrace Islam or death, or fled away by own will, secretly to save their lives. Zoroastrians' place of worship desecrated. The fire temple and the literatures were burned, and building of the rare temples of the fire temples were converted into not the rare. This is the fire. Were converted into mosque. A Zoroastrian family was forced to convert Islam. The children were sent to the Islamic school to learn Arabic. As these innocent children were forcibly deprived their faith after a Muslim conquest on Persia, Iran, Zoroastrians were given the dhimmi status and subjected to persecution. Discrimination, the harassment began in the form of sparse violence. Those paying the jizya tax subjected to insult and humiliation by the tax collectors. Zoroastrians who was captured as slaves were given to freedom, otherwise were killed. Over time, persecution of the Zoroastrians became more common, and the widespread persecution and the number of Parsi decreases significantly because Zoroastrian worship place or fire temples, and fire was the symbol of bad deeds in Islam. So Zoroastrians were the subjected of hatred and pure. 642 to 10th century was the most dangerous to the Zoroastrians, as they were called as Nazis or the polluted, Najas. Their women were molested by Muslims in various places. According to Thomas Walker Arnold, a Persian scholar, commented, why so many families of the Zoroastrians had to die or suffered? Because Muslims are determined to impose his religion upon the others who could not understand under the first four caliph. Iran, Persia renamed predominantly Zoroastrian. The Umar gave the dhimmi status by the caliph. Frequency of the persecution increased many folds in the kingdom of Umayyad Caliph. Jizya tax imposed upon Zoroastrians and the officials of the Persia became Arabic instead of Persian. local Persians and almost all Persian Zoroastrians were excluded from government services. In this time, Yazid bin Mohaleb, a general under Umayyad, was appointed the head of the great army to lead Mazandaran expedition. On the way to Mazandaran, the general ordered captives to be hanged at two sides of the road so that the victorious army of Arab passed through. The attack on Tabristan, present-day Mazandaran, failed, but he established his control in Gorgan by the order of Yazid ibn Mawlid. So many Persians were beheaded in Gorgan that their blood mixed water would enrich the milestone to produce as much as one day meal for him as he has vowed. The extent of his brutality represented itself by running water mill by Zoroastrian blood for 3 days, and he fed his army with the bread made with that very bloody flour. Actually, these activities of the fanatic Muslims, according to the doctrine of Islam, was crossed all the limits of the cruelty and madness. But this city, Tabristan, was invincible until the majority of the Zoroastrians migrated towards India and the rest converted to Islam with cruelty. In Abbasid dynasty also Parsi were persecuted too much and they were treated as the Kafirs. Zoroastrians were denied access to bathhouse on the ground that avoids conversion to Islam. When employed by the Abbasid by order of Abdullah ibn Tahir, an Arabicized Persian, and by his order all the Zoroastrian religious book to be thrown in the fire. As a result, much literary work written in Pahlavi script disappeared. After so many hard persecution, Zoroastrian moved to India in between 10th to 12th century. This is the real face of the Islam. This is the practiced to spread Islam and encouragement of the land of the community, which is the indigenous inhabitants and the converted them into Islam by force. So this is the spiritual character of the Islam. And those who uploaded the Islam without knowing the fact, they are super duper most super duper fool, and they are showing their foolishness only by the due to the arrogancy or due to the rigidness. They are not the correct, they are on the wrong path, and they will feel after some time when they live will with the Muslims, and then when Muslim will torture them, then they will understand what is the real Islam. Thank you very much.